Hello there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel and welcome back if you've been here before. Now, today is box opening day on our kit of the week. Kit of the week this week, if you don't know already, is the F-18 Hornet in this cinematic tie-in, if you like, with the Top Gun Maverick movie from Airfix in 1/72 scale. What we'll do is we'll have a look at the history of the F-18 kit in Airfix. We'll have a look at what the competitors have to offer. We'll have a look at the contents of the box, what you get inside in terms of the parts, the decals, and of course the instruction sheet. If you want to know how to put one of these together, there's going to be a companion video of making the kit, and of course there will be a large combo special edition version with some history of the F-18, followed by the box opening, then the making. You can sit down with a glass of wine or something and just enjoy that at your leisure. Now, if you enjoy the video, and I really hope you do, please do remember to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. All you have to do is click on that small logo down there in the bottom right corner. You can also support future productions by visiting Patreon or by visiting Buy Me a Coffee. Both of those are linked in the information box below. There's also a link to the Airfix online store. Now, if you go through that link and buy anything at all at Airfix, then at no extra cost to you, Airfix will donate some money to this channel. So that's all good. Let's get on then and have a look at the history of the F-18 Hornet in 1/72 scale from Airfix. The first Airfix F-18 appeared in 1982, and this is the tooling we still have today. It had new decals and box art in 1984, in 1986, and in 1989. The kit was reboxed for the Smithsonian Institution in America in 1998 and got new decals and a new box in 2002. In 2003 it was released once more with paints and glue, with another new boxing in 2009. 10 years later it was revived in the new style gift set, then finally was rolled out once more for this Top Gun Maverick tie-in in 2020. Of course, the big problem is that this isn't the F-18E Super Hornet flown by Maverick in the new film, as they freely admit on the box. It's the same F-18A released in 1982, and that, by the way, is 4 years before the original Top Gun movie was released. For a more accurate tie-in with both the original and the new films, you can buy this combination set from Revell in 1/72. This has the F-18E from the 2009 new tooling, as well as an F-14D from their 1999 tooling. If you just want a 1/72 scale kit of the Super Hornet, then you could look at Academy. The tooling dates from 2016 with the two-seat Model F. The single-seat Model E came in 2017. But the price for squeezing juice from the proverbial lemon goes to Hasegawa, who, since their new tooling in 2003, have produced 59, yes, 59 boxings of the F-18E, F and G versions, with new decals and or new parts up to and including the 2022 Top Gun School kit. Pretty sure that's more variety than the US Navy itself has actually had. The cover art is all very dynamic in this Airfix kit, and the artist has done a good job of the paint job considering it's not actually the right aircraft. The kit comes with a total of 94 pieces, including weapons. Airfix has rated the kit as skill level 2, which is probably right. I'd personally put it at about 1.5, but the graphics don't allow that. The box also comes with a token for 2 flying hours. As a member of the Airfix Club, you can collect these towards a free kit in the future, or of course you can donate them to Models for Heroes. A link to this excellent charity is in the information box below. The box opens at the top, as is the normal way at Airfix now, and inside, looking a little bit forlorn, is a bag containing all the plastic parts. There's a very slim instruction leaflet, and there's a small decal sheet. Overall, the box just looks too big. Opening the plastic bag, we find all the parts. There are 4 sprues of grey plastic with all the main components. There's also a smaller bag with the transparent parts, the windshield and canopy for example. This first sprue contains the fuselage in 2 half sections, upper and lower halves. Then there's a sprue with the wings and some fuel tanks. On this third one are the elevators, the wing root extensions and some weapons. And on this last one are some pylons, bombs, wheels and the twin vertical stabilizers. Finally, the transparent sprue has the windshield, the canopy and the glass of the heads-up display. Taking a closer look at the parts now, and the sprues are an odd hexagonal section, and there appears to be plenty of mould lines and bits of flash on all the edges. There is a pilot figure provided who does, with a certain generosity of spirit, bear a resemblance to Tom Cruise. The smaller parts and tighter corners do exhibit flash that will all have to be removed, and some of the parts don't look entirely correctly moulded, such as this missile rail. Apart from major structures such as the leading and trailing edge flaps and ailerons, all the panel lines are very fine and raised. And finally, inside the rear fuselage piece is the date of the mould, 1982. The decal sheet we're going to call economical. It's certainly not frightening for the new modeller. Despite the lack of the extensive amount of stencils this aircraft would normally have, the decals are crisply printed, especially on the black text, and the colours are dense and rich. The instruction sheet is a 3-page gatefold A4 with all of the build instructions visible in one go. The drawings are old and not in the current shaded style, but they're adequate for the purpose. One oddity here is where it's suggested that the bomb rack goes on the wingtip and the sidewinder missile goes under the wing. Obviously this is the wrong way round. But this is even more odd given that an earlier version of this printed instruction gets it the right way round. Maybe it's an error in grabbing the artwork into some software somewhere. There we have it, the F-18 in 1/72nd scale from Airfix with the colours of Maverick in Top Gun Maverick the movie. Now, if you've enjoyed the video, and I hope you have, please do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. The link to do that is down there in the bottom right hand corner. Just click on that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.